Hi everyone. Yes, welcome back to Hustle Diaries. Can you believe we're already on day 21? O, diba? For those who are new here, I'm Mary Ann, originally from Manila, Philippines, and now based in Ontario, Canada. A wife and a mom, and someone who's learning to appreciate the journey instead of always focusing on the destination. Today's topic, give yourself credit. Okay? May tanong ako sa inyo. Kailan yung huling beses na pinuri nyo yung sarili nyo? I mean, not in a boastful way, right? But simply recognizing how far you've come. Kasi minsan sobrang focus tayo sa next goal, next task, next responsibility, at nakakalimutan na natin i-celebrate yung progress natin. We keep saying, hindi pa enough. Marami pa akong kailangan gawin. Malayo pa ako. And while that can keep us motivated, yes, sometimes, it also makes us forget how much we've already overcome. Think about it. A year ago, iba yung challenges mo. Iba yung worries mo. Iba yung version mo. And yet, nandito ka pa rin. Still showing up, still learning, and still trying. And I think that deserves a recognition. Minsan kasi tayo na, alam mo yung pinaka mahigpit na critic ng sarili natin. And we notice our mistakes, our delays, our shortcomings, pero nakakalimutan nating pansinin yung strength natin, yung growth, yung resilience, and the fact that we kept going even when things weren't easy. Diba? So today, I want to remind you, give yourself credit. Your battles, no one saw. For the days that you wanted to quit back, but didn't. For the lessons you've learned. For the person you've become. Because growth isn't always about achieving more. Sometimes it's about appreciating how far you've become. So today, take a moment and ask yourself this. What is something you're proud of yourself for this year? Big or small, it counts. And you deserve to celebrate it. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me here in Hustle Diaries. Take care, be kind to yourself, and remember, you've come farther than you think. Bye!